Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Copy.ai to create hook ads. So first and foremost, you have to go to Copy.ai and then create an account here. It's so easy. All you have to do is to add your information, or you can connect to Google account, which is easier, or Microsoft Word. Then you can answer this survey, but you can also skip this one if you want. So I'll just continue for the sake of this tutorial. So these are the possible questions. You just have to tap next. And once you're done with this, then it will take you directly to your Copy.ai dashboard. As easy as that. So you have different options right here in features, but let's just go directly to create new, tap on chat. So I have a few access to the feature right here because I'm just using the basic version. So anyways, in order for you to use Copy.ai to create hook ads, then you can just basically go to chat again, and there are other options here, like you can use the brainstorm, you can real-time search, a long form content, so everything is up to you. So here you need to provide a clear prompt for your hook ads. So here's a sample. You can copy this one and you can create your own. So write a 5 attention grabbing hook ads for a new skincare brand called. You can change the name of the brand right here. That helps reduce acne naturally. The target audience is women ages 18 to 40. So this is what we call target audience. So you can also add more prompt here aside from target audience. You can add format, you can add tone. Is it friendly, professional? Everything is up to you. So all you have to do is to add the correct prompt here in Copy AI, and Copy AI will show you exactly the best answer for that. You can rewrite it on your own, or you can copy and then paste it again. You can ask Copy.ai to make it more, or let's just say, make it funnier, or make it more professional, or sound professional, something like that. So you can also use prompt like give me curiosity based hook ads for a productivity application. You can also be very specific with the application here. You can add the name of the product here. Also, you can add another prompt again like this, write 3 bold Facebook hook ads for a weight loss coaching program, and so on. So all you have to do is to select that specific prompt. You can add the name of your product right here. You can add again the target audience, the format, is it how to or guide style, also the tone. So once you have selected that best hook ads, then you can copy and then paste, or if you want to use it to text to speech or create video, everything is up to you. But basically, this is how you use Copy.ai to create hook ads. Okay, so just add more prompts, just ask more questions. You can be very specific. That would be better. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.